Welcome to the Law Simplified course on Contract Law. I am your instructor, Shaveen Bandaranayake. This entire course was developed based on the spider graphs and material which I developed when I studied for my LLB or Bachelor of Laws degree. It's a great supplement if you are a student just beginning your LLB degree or someone who's about to sit for your examinations either in May or in November. But mind you, this is no substitute for thorough learning. It is only a supplement. So I urge you to go through and read the material that has been provided to you by your respective universities. I hope you enjoy this course. So without much further ado, let's begin.